No two franchises are the same. For some, a franchise can be a full-time single source of income with many accounts and many employees. But for others, a franchise can be part-time with few accounts that are manageable either on their own or with the help of a business partner or a family member. Today, we're going to discuss how you can create a part-time franchise that works for you. Hi, it's Matt, and thank you for joining us for another video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to build a part-time franchise in 5 steps. Number 1 is set your hours. So you're the boss. It's important that you set your own hours and you know when you want to work. That's something that you don't get to do when you work for somebody else. That's up to you. Set those hours. Number 2 is be picky. You're going to get to choose what type of accounts you want to clean. And of course, you're setting your own hours, so you want to make sure that these accounts that you're going to choose are within that time that you have selected. But you don't have to choose everything. Be picky on what you take on and what accounts you clean. Number 3, build relationships with your customers. The better they know you, the more sustainable your business will be. So build those relationships with your customers as well as your support staff so that you're able to maintain your business long term. Number 4, you want to hone those skills. Just because you're keeping your business small doesn't mean that you don't want to learn everything you can possibly learn about how to become the best OctoClean franchise that you can be. So anytime there's training available, go to those training courses. Hone those skills so that you can be the best at what you do. Number 5, be content or be happy. Just because you see other franchisees out taking on new business doesn't mean that you have to. The grass is not always greener on the other side. When the time comes that you're ready to grow, you're going to know when that is. But until then, be happy with your choice to be a part-time franchise. That wraps up this video. For more franchise information, please visit the link in our description. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.